Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna unbox and review the new Huawei MatePad SE, which comes with 11 inch. So let's get started. So as we can see here, it's mentioned it comes with metal body and also 11-inch eye comfort Huawei full view display with large capacity battery, and also comes here with Huawei M Pen Lite. So here we have the tablet itself. Also we have got the charger, which comes with 22.5 watts. And here we have got the M Pencil Lite. Also with the Type-C cable. And here we have extra tips for the pen. So here we have the tablet itself, which comes with crystal blue color, as we can see. So if we be talking about the dimension and the weight, it comes here only with 475 grams, and the thickness here is 6.9 mm. So actually it feels so premium with the flat edges here. It doesn't come with curved edges. And we have here on the top the volume button, and on the left side we have the power button, plus two speakers here and two speakers the other side with a Type-C port. And down here we have nothing at all. The front here we have the 5 megapixel camera, and the back side we have the 8 megapixel backside camera. And as we can see now, the tablet comes here with 11-inch, and also comes with a refresh rate of 60 Hz with resolution of 1920 by 1200, and also the screen to body ratio is 85%. And as we know that Huawei tablets now, it comes with the Harmony OS, which is Huawei own software. And this tablet right now here, it comes with the Kirin 7000A, the processor. This is Huawei own processor. And it comes also with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. And this tablet considered as a budget tablet from Huawei. It's not a flagship. And the good thing about this tablet, guys, as we know that Huawei phones or Huawei tablets cannot use Google application or Google Play services. Even also Google Play you cannot use. Right now we're using the Huawei app gallery in order to download your application. But before that, as we know, Huawei cannot use Google apps. But right now, if you will just try to type any Google apps, like for example Chrome, simply you can download it and use it without any third-party app. Like before, we need to download Gbox or Gspace in order to get these apps working. But right now, without any third-party app, you can directly download Google apps such as YouTube, Maps, even Chrome. Let's try Maps as well. So, for example, if you install the Google Maps, you can easily use it without any third-party app. Like for example, I just download the YouTube right now, so you can just open it without any issue. You can sign into your Google account, and you can use it normally without any issue. And as we mentioned, as we told, this tablet is not a flagship, and it comes with mid-range performance, but still it gives satisfying experience when you are trying with games or even browsing your social media accounts. So you will not get the best performance, but still you will be okay with this graphics and also the performance.
Scandale.
Un scandale pour homme.
And now discovers a new parfum intense.
Scandale absolu by Jean-Paul Gaultier.
And in order to use this M pencil, once you buy the tablet, you need to open this the back side here, and you will find this piece of rubber need to be removed. And again, you need to put this one back. And here you can use the pencil without any issues. Like if you want to write, it still gives good experience. For sure is not like the other M pencil which it comes with Huawei, like M pencil third generation or second generation. But this one actually gives good experience as well. As you can see, you can change the color, you can write notes, you can browser your tablet. So I hope you like the video, guys. If you have any questions, just drop your question in the comment section below. I'll get back to you. And if you like the video, just subscribe to my channel and put the like button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.